Hi friends, first of all I would like to say sorry for taking a long wait. Anyways, I'm back again with a series of wonderful lectures on some very useful topics. So if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, then kindly subscribe it and also press the bell icon so that you could get the notifications of my latest videos. And I also like your comments on my videos, and I hope that the videos are of help to you. So please do drop a like and also share the videos with your friends and groups. So today I have chosen a topic which is the dream of every human being. The topic is how to get what you want, be it health, wealth, happiness, success, prosperity, or whatever. You can get all these by following certain well-defined techniques. And this is a very vast topic and requires a series of lectures to cover all the aspects of this so-called the most sought after topic. And I would also like to go into the details of each topic so that you could be well equipped to apply these techniques and get the amazing results. In my opinion, in spite of getting trapped early into any one of the fast money making schemes and losing all your money and precious time, you should first focus on learning and developing some brilliant skills like communication skills, teaching skills, marketing skills, motivational skills, management skills, leadership skills, and so on and so forth while continuing your school or college studies. Once you get command over any one or two of these life-changing skills, then the whole world of opportunities is open for you. For temporary and ephemeral learning, you can do whatever you want, but for lifelong prosperity, for achieving your dreams, you'll have to change your mindset. You'll have to go through some well-defined techniques and process to reprogram your brain. You'll have to learn those skills which help you in all areas of your life, and these are the points which I am going to discuss in my lectures. So keep in mind that I am going to upload a series of lectures to cover all the aspects of this major topic, how to get what you want, and this major topic has various subtopics, and I will be covering one subtopic in every lecture. So what are you waiting for? Get ready to dive into the world of your dreams and wishes. Our today's subtopic is know your mind first. Well, believe it or not, we all have infinite riches within our reach. The only thing we have to do is just open our mental eyes and enter the storehouse of infinite intelligence, resources, and riches within us. From this storehouse, we can easily extract everything we need to live a happier, richer, fuller, and glorious life. You know, most of us don't know about this storehouse of infinite power within you, from where you can take out whatever you want. And I'm going to tell you how to open your mental eyes and enter this storehouse of infinite intelligence within you, making you able to get what you really want in your life. So the first thing you must be aware of is the fact that the law of life is the law of belief. Your life is exactly what you believe, no more and no less. Whatever you think, feel, and believe, the condition of your mind, body, and circumstances follows it. You must have heard the old saying that as you sow, so shall you reap. For the importance of belief, I say, as you believe, so shall you receive. I am talking about the unbelievable power of our subconscious mind. Once you learn how to use the infinite hidden power of your subconscious mind, then you would be able to open a new world for yourself, a world of happiness, health, wealth, joy, and prosperity. If you learn how to use the wisdom of your subconscious mind, then you can get all that your heart desires. You must have heard the very popular quote of Paulo Coelho that when you want something badly, the whole universe conspires in helping you to achieve it. And you know, there is a very strong connection between your belief, your strong desire, and the power of the universe. We are going to learn how it works. Look, The fundamental principle and the universal truth about your subconscious mind is that whatever you impress on your subconscious mind is expressed on the screen of space as condition, experience and events. That is, whatever you think to be true, whether it is actually true or false, first changes into your belief, which is then conveyed to your subconscious mind, which in turn converts it into the corresponding physical reality. So remember that our subconscious mind works according to the law of belief. So the first task for you is that you stop accepting false beliefs, opinions, superstitions and fears that afflict our humankind, and begin to believe in the eternal verities and truths of life that never change, and thereby start moving towards your true self. So that's all for now, and in my next video I will be discussing what belief is and how it works. And my viewers, I have something to say to you, that if you are new to my channel and haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please subscribe to my channel and help me reach my goal. And bye. And remember, don't leave without subscribing, and also press that bell icon right there. Bye.